Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: WSL2 enabled, virtual machine platform on, and a Linux distro installed. Open PowerShell as admin and set the distro to version 2. This ensures compatibility with Docker. Once done, install Docker Desktop and enable WSL integration, or install Docker Engine inside the distro if you prefer lightweight control. Make sure your distro is the default and restarted. This reduces mismatch errors and lets Docker manage the daemon within WSL, which improves file system and networking performance. Now configure Docker to run inside WSL for best performance. In Docker Desktop, enable integration for your distro. Alternatively, start Dockered inside the distro and export Docker host if you need to. Then, test with Docker version and Docker info to confirm the client talks to the WSL daemon. When you mount volumes, prefer native Linux paths under /home or /mnt. This avoids slow cross-OS I/O. Finally, add your user to the Docker group to run commands without sudo, then re-login or restart the shell. To finish, launch a container to validate the flow. Docker run rm at alpine sh and check file access and networking. Use Docker PS, Docker logs, and Docker inspect to diagnose container state. Use Docker network ls to confirm connectivity. If containers fail to start, make sure the daemon is running inside WSL or Docker Desktop is connected to the distro. As a key troubleshooting tip, shut down WSL with WSL shutdown. Restart Docker Desktop, then relaunch your distro. This clears stale sockets and resolves most connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.